check this car here. This is the craziest Rolls Royce I've ever seen, so here's a quick tour of it. So here's a walk around of it. So when you see it from the front, it looks like your typical Rolls Royce, like a classic. There's the Spirit of Ecstasy on the front. But when you zoom out, you really start to see all the details on this. It's got this really cool like 80s Tron grid thing going on the hood. And then it's got like some Miami colors, the sunset. If you love like the 80s, this is the car for you. This is so cool. As you walk around to the side, it's got the Rolls Royce colors on. And it's got this cool paint job. It almost looks like the Aurora Borealis thing, but it's in like Miami colors. And then here's the engine bay. So the engine bay is all OEM, it's all stock from the original day. And then there's the interior. The interior is still in really good shape, so this is what it looks like. This is such a cool vehicle.